Hello guys, welcome back. It's LSP. It's currently August the 31st, 2019. The time is 2 o'clock in the afternoon, PM GMT time. So the first thing is, I've started a Forex Factory thread over at Forex Factory, and this video is going to be posted on there. So I'm going to be kind of talking to that group of people, as well as the people on YouTube, the subscribers on YouTube. The thing that what I want to go through now, just briefly, is kind of an introductory video into the reason why I started a thread on Forex Factory. And it's my hope that people get involved, we share ideas, and we grow as a trading community. Okay, I've started lots of different things, and in the interest of transparency, I'll just get this out of the way now. I do have a Patreon page. It's not very big. It is a small subscription fee. If anybody wants to be part of that trading community, then you're more than welcome. The link's in the first post, but that's not what this is about. I'm saying that now because it's already been posted, and I don't want people to think that I'm here trying to, drum up business. That's a side project for me. I'm trying to, get together a small group of traders so we can really, work together and make some strides in our trading. And then obviously I have the YouTube channel as well, which has been going for a while. I do post on Twitter from time to time, but to be honest, I don't really use social media that much. I'm not really interested in it. I prefer to communicate with people, preferably face to face or through email. My email is also above in the first post. So if anybody wants to contact me, personally, you're more than welcome to do so. I've always got my mobile or phone with me pretty much most of the time, so I'm pretty quick to respond. So why Forex Factory? What's the point? What am I doing? Again, it's another effort, on my part to, really emphasize the idea that the system isn't the problem, the trader's the problem. And, anybody can post trades, anybody can post trading signals, anybody can post analysis and so on. But, I think the real heart of the problem is traders themselves don't really understand that they are the problem. Okay, they read it, they kind of get it, but they don't truly understand that that's the case. Everybody focuses on the system, which there are a myriad of different systems, whether it's order flow, whether it's supply and demand, support and resistance, indicators, divergence, and so on and so on and so on. There's thousands and thousands of ways to trade the Forex market, stock market, futures, commodities, and so on. The issue is the trader. It's not the system, okay? And my, I don't want to say passion, but my obsession with trading has led me to, pound away at traders over the years about this one very important fact, and that is, like I said, the trader is the problem. I have helped traders over the years, who've gone on to become consistently profitable traders. I'm currently working with a few traders now who again are making massive strides in their trading, and all of these people that I've helped or that I've worked with, have always started with the idea that the system is the issue, and they're constantly working on the system, they're working on the numbers, they're crunching the numbers, and so on and so on and so on, and then when they eventually take or make that shift into, okay, I'm the problem, it's not the system, that's when they started to really make strides in their trading. So my hope is to do the same here, and I really want people to to share their ideas, to ask questions. I'm a massive fan of video. Okay, so if anybody asks a question, I will do my very best, to answer that question in video format, as you can see here. So if I see something that's posted on the Forex Factory thread, as a question, for example, then I'll take the question or a group of questions, and then I will, answer those questions in video format, whether it's about a chart, a specific pair, a stock, or analysis, or whatever it is. It doesn't matter whether it's psychology, trading related, real estate related, because I do some real estate as well, and so on and so on. I will answer it in video format. I will post that on on the thread, and I'll give a shout out to whoever asks the question as well, so you can get a little bump as well, and then we take it from there. So like I said, I really hope people get involved. This is not just another thread on Forex Factory. I'm hoping that it's going to grow. I'm going to do my best to post as much information as I can. It will be littered with lots of nuggets, lots of videos. I will post some trades from time to time, some things to watch. Nothing will be time sensitive though. I don't want anybody thinking that they can come to the thread and see, trading signals, excuse me, or ideas, in that respect. This is purely for education only, guys. We're here to grow as a trading community. Okay, I'm not here to get myself into trouble by giving trade advice, and I don't expect anybody, or wouldn't expect anybody to go out there and take trades off anything that you see here with their own personal money. I think that would be pretty stupid. So please don't do that, and don't expect that from this. There are plenty of threads on Forex Factory, and some of them are amazing. I've learned over the years a lot of stuff from different threads, different people on Forex Factory, and I do like Forex Factory because the one thing that we can say that I've noticed over the years is that Forex Factory and the people on Forex Factory don't tolerate BS, yeah, and that's why I chose Forex Factory and not some other forum, because there's quite a few out there. I think Forex Factory is the best place to be, because if I type or write or post a video of something, I'm going to get called out on that immediately. So basically what I'm getting at is going to be, it's the best place for me to be transparent, because people will see it, yeah, and they'll know that I'm genuine and that I genuinely want to help. Okay, so that's why Forex Factory. So I'll leave it at that. Sorry that it's just a chart of euro. There was no reason specifically that it was this one. I just wanted to have something up as I was recording the screen. And being as I'm here, I might do it in another video. Actually, no, I'll do it in another video. Maybe just a quick, sort of like a basic look ahead, just some levels to watch going into next week, which I'll post on YouTube as well. All right, guys. So welcome everybody to Forex Factory. I hope everybody gets involved. I hope everybody enjoys being here. And I will catch up with you guys in the next video. Okay, so take care and have a great weekend.